Hey there, my name's Caleb Dixon, sales manager here. Welcome to Beckwood Press. Today we're going to give you a little tour of what we have going on through our shop in Q1 this year, to give you guys more of an idea of what we do here at Beckwood and how we can potentially help. Let's go check it out. So here's the main portion of our shop where all the magic happens. Let's go check it out. So this will be our first pit stop here. This is a 160-ton press for an automotive company. And with everything that we do here at Beckwood, we really try to make sure that the design is flexible and meets the customer's requirements. We're also staying within a budget range. This is Gary here, one of our electrical engineers. Gary, what do you like about working at Beckwood here?
The biggest thing I like about working at Beckwood is the complex projects that we get in the door. I like to see the machine come to life and meet the customer's expectations. I get to deliver a amazing press, a complicated press, and at the end of the day, see the customer at the FAT excited about our product.
And Gary, one question for you. What sort of tolerance are we trying to hold when that shuttle moves in and hits different positions on this press?
Yeah, so the target for this shuttle is about ½ a millimeter positional accuracy.
And obviously being in the automotive industry, speed is key. Let's move on to the next press. And over here we have our great example of our Servo-Electric technology. So this falls under our Evo line, and it's a 50-ton Servo-Electric press. Here at Beckwood, we're making a huge push into this technology as we really see it as the future of press technology, and we're now going up to 500 tons. This here is Adam Sulman. He's one of our sales engineers who worked the job. Adam, can you tell us a little bit about the press?
Yeah, with this customer, precision was the ultimate goal. They were looking to produce new parts that were not previously available on their hydraulic press. With the new Evo X technology, they are now able to come to a ½ valve an inch in tolerance and will provide for new work in the future.
Awesome, appreciate it, Adam. Let's move on to the next one. And this next one over here is one of my favorites. This is a 42-10-12 deep draw hydroform machine. What that means is it's a 42-inch max blank diameter, a maximum of 10,000 PSI, and a draw depth of 12 inches. So in a lot of cases, individuals or companies with old Cincinnatis and Versons, they need to upgrade that equipment to a more modernized technology that's more repeatable. I have Tyler over here, who's our Triform technical product manager. Hey Tyler, come over here and what makes this machine or the Triform technology better than the old Cincinnati or Versons?
I think our pressure control with the pump is what sets us apart. So we have really precise control over pressure in the bladder at any point during the cycle, where Cincinnati would have to pre-charge and then push up into there. So we can run any size tool, can run on this seamlessly at any pressure. Without
relying on that displacement pressure. And then also a cool feature of this is also the custom lower punch force that we have. So the punch cylinder on this machine is a 47-inch bore cylinder rated for, what is it, 4,600 PSI, yeah. 48?
Yeah, 4,300 tons.
Anything else unique about our equipment compared to the Cincinnati's?
I think just our ability to adapt to the old Cincinnati tooling sets us apart. We can take any customer's tooling set and make adapters that let them reuse their tooling instead of redoing their whole set of tooling.
Awesome, I appreciate your time. We're gonna move on, thanks. This next one we have here is actually a dual ram machine. It's 550 tons per ram. It's used for compression molding in the defense industry. This is Gerard who's worked this project. Gerard, why is this one of your favorite projects?
It's a long-term customer of ours. They've been a customer of ours for 20 plus years now. So it's really cool to see the adaptation from an original machine we built them back in 2004 to what you see behind us now being built in 2025. So really cool, long existing customer of ours.
Yeah, and that's awesome. And that's something we pride ourselves at Beckwood as well, as the repeat business. You know, we're not perfect, no company ever is, but we stand by the customer, and on any given year, 40 to 50% of our business is from repeat customers. Let's keep on moving. All right, so I dragged Gerard over here from the last project over in our high bay area. This project here is a 1,000-ton forming press in the automotive industry. Gerard, go ahead and tell us about this one too.
Yeah, this one had its unique challenges, so it is a repeat customer of ours again. So this is their second machine we're building for them, and they really wanted to partner with a company they could count on from a support aspect, and they're just getting into this, and their production capacity is raising. So they're looking at a magnitude of machines, and they really need a company they can see growing as much as they're growing as well. So being able to support them and all the machines they plan on getting and building within the next 5 to 10 years is very important to them and something that we were able to capitalize on.
Awesome, appreciate the info, Gerard. All right, next we have something that is not yet a press, but will be a press. These are large weldments for a 1,500 ton press that's 160 by 180. It's going to be doing some bending of thicker materials for the Navy in the defense industry. Hey Jared, got Jared over here. Jared is one of our heavy equipment operators. So he gets to move around this big stuff, which I think in totality this press will be exceed 500,000 pounds. So it's going to be pretty heavy, it qualifies. Jared, what do you like about Beckwood and seeing these presses come to life?
Yeah, it's nice to see the whole build process from ground up. These are probably one of our bigger weldments you'll ever see around Beckwood. Definitely one of our biggest we've ever built, and it's exciting to see this stuff come in the door and then be built from ground up. Even starting from engineering, we get to see all the drawings before it comes in the door, and then just see it come to fruition.
Yeah, and then also, being U.S. government, we're also all very proud of the fact that, it's done here in St. Louis, Missouri, here in the USA as well. So, Jared, I appreciate you. Keep up the hard work. All right. And this space is hot off the press. As of March of 2025, this is our most recent 36,000 square foot expansion. As you can see back here, we also do some retrofits. So this is the first project that's going in on over here. This customer of ours has over 40 of our presses, half of which are Servo-Electric and half of which are hydraulic. And now we're all converting all those hydraulics over to Servo-Electric. So in this space over here, it's really going to help fuel our future growth. And with the addition of this space, plus our existing building, it now gives us nearly 100,000 square feet to grow in. All right, now that you've seen it all, let's head back out front. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit about Beckwood and how we could potentially help. If you're in need of any press equipment from sheet metal, forming, punching, blanking, stamping, all the way to composites, to powders, we do it all here at Beckwood and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.